Mr. Guban, during your opening statement, you mentioned about first family involved in importation of illegal drugs. Can you categorically state who is that, to be fair to everyone, who's that first family you're referring to?
That is your order, yung anak, si Man saka si Pulong. Pero Michael yan. Dahil si Michael yan, madaldal yan.
You mentioned kasi first family. Again, I will ask you, who is the first family?
The Duterte family, Your Honor. Bisan, Pulong, and Mans Carpio.
Thank you, Mr. Chairman. Next, ito, second question ko lang. You mentioned about the politician that you link. You will ask to link that politician. Who is that politician?
Your Honor, are you referring to the Councilor Abeliera?
No, you mentioned about a certain politician na pinilit kang i-link but you refuse to link him or her.
Yung mortal enemy ng Duterte.
Sino po?
Ex-Senator.
Sino? Please, pag-iano lang po.
Si ex-Senator Trillanes.
Ex-Senator Trillanes.
Yun lang yan. Pagkatapos doon, binaba akong telepono.
Paki-exact ko lang po. Who called you?
I'm the one calling, Your Honor. Pagkatawag ko sa NBI, sabi niya, Jim, tahan mo, pakinggan mo yung sasabihin ko sa'yo. Nakakulong na po kasi ako eh. From NBI, nilipat ako sa Manila City Jail. So from Manila City Jail, nakakatawag naman doon. Tinawagan ko yung isang Deputy Director, who is all your familiar with me. Deputy Director for Investigation. Sinabihan niya ako, parang minustra niya pa nga eh. Jim, ganito eh. Pagdating ko doon sa opisina ng Director, alam mo, nakataas yung paa. Inano yung papel mo kasi may sulatin ako kung paano ko ako makatutulungan makalabas. So pagdating doon, parang nagkukusay-kusay ba? Ano ba? Yung paa din sinabi niya, dapat ganitong sabihin niya. Sabihin mo sa kanya na pirmahan niya tong report ng NBI. Kasama si Senator. Labas siya kagad kahit hindi pa siya nakakapirma. Kukunin siya dyan. Kuha mo na dyan sa kulungan. Ngayon,